Zach doesn't have any minnows.
I guess not.
Zach, did you go get the minnows out of the truck?
Going.
When? Sitting here naked in a chair, our pets' heads are falling off. I'm sitting here naked in a chair, our pets' heads are falling off. What? What'd you say? Like what? You wanna go to the bar? Zach, you wanna go to the bar?
No.
What do you wanna do?
Fuck you. Why is it so fucking hot?
Open that window.
The fucking AC said at 63 and the window's open.
Well, open the window farther.
No, it's not. Shut it. I just shut it. Because I grabbed the hold of it and I slid it.
Well, that was stupid, wasn't it, Zach?
What?
That he shut the window.
What did you?
Open the window, Crowbar. It's fucking hot in here. Crowbar, you're an idiot.